Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be part 3 of our series of why you should book your next Disney vacation with a travel planner, especially someone who specializes in Disney travel and the different portfolio of destinations that Disney currently has. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is we work directly with Disney on your behalf. You don't have to do that. Let's say you guys are getting ready to travel and all of a sudden your reservations aren't linking. Oh, grandma was supposed to be linked up to me through her My Disney Experience account and she's not on there. How am I supposed to, make her plans for her? We handle all of that. We got grandma. We're going to take care of grandma. We're going to take care of you. We're going to call Disney and we're going to work on those tough IT issues that pop up and happen, and you're not going to worry about that because we're going to call on your behalf and we're going to talk directly to Disney as the recommendation and the representative for your team and your travel party. So whether you're, it's a work trip and you've got your team with you, or it's a family trip or travel party and you've got a girls trip going, or whatever it is, we will link those accounts. We'll make sure everybody's linked up. And yeah, we're going to make that happen. And you're not going to have to wait on hold for 45 minutes to an hour. We're going to do it for you. And we're going to take care of it. And we're going to make sure that everything's linked up and looks great. And when those things do pop up, we're going to call on your behalf. Yeah, doesn't matter if it's before your trip, during your trip, we're going to take care of it. So we are working directly with Disney and their IT department because, as you know, technology has its good days and its bad days. And when it has its bad days, we're your person, we're your advocate, and we call Disney for you. So that is number 1 for today. The second one is going to be recommend and schedule your theme park tickets and your reservations. If you are watching this and it is after the 1st of January in 2024, park reservations are not necessary anymore. But if you are planning on traveling to Disney before January 10th, I think, 2024, you have to make park reservations. That means not only do you have to have a ticket to get into that park or into a park, but you're also going to have to specify what park you're going to start in that day. Even if you have a park hopper, you still have to say, I'm going to go to this park first. So yeah. That is a current thing, and if you don't know how that works, we do that for you. Even if you don't know how it works, we're going to do it for you. We're going to help you because we've booked your resort, we've booked your tickets, and we are going to book those reservations for you. And we'll get to this point in another video. We're going to plan out a customized and personalized itinerary for you and your travel party. But just so you know, we're the ones that are going to figure out where you need to be and when. Why, you ask? Hold please. Look, the next thing, dining reservations. So dining is something that is booked 60 days out from your travel time. And if you're not wanting to get up at 4:45 Central Time and book those dining reservations before they get all booked up, you're wanting Cinderella's Royal Table, or you're wanting Be Our Guest, or Victoria and Albert's, or Chef Art Smith. You want brunch at 9 o'clock on a Saturday or Sunday, and you want Chef Art Smith for a party of 10. We take care of that. We'll do it for you. But that's why the ticket and park reservation and your dining are very important, because long gone are the days where I know I'm going to be in a park, I'm going to make reservations here. Well, if you are planning on, if you have park reservations for Epcot, but you want to eat lunch at Cinderella's Royal Table, you can't do that. Yeah, why? Why, you say? That's right, because park hopping doesn't start until 2 o'clock. And if you could not get into Magic Kingdom for the day, even if you can park hop over to Magic Kingdom after 2, it doesn't matter. Why? Because you don't have a park reservation. You have Epcot or you have Hollywood Studios. and park hopping doesn't start until 2. And if you don't have reservations in the park that you want, it doesn't matter if you have reservations for Cinderella's Royal Table. They're not going to let you in because, I'm sorry, you're supposed to be at Epcot and you technically have to scan in at Epcot, and then at 2 o'clock you can come over here if we've got space. So that is a whole kit and caboodle, and we don't let you worry about the kit and caboodle. We take care of the kit and the caboodle for you. Number 3, recreation experiences, VIP tours, woo woo. Renting cabanas at your resort, or some of them are called different things at different resorts. I think the Polynesian is called something different than a cabana. But any special space that needs a reservation, whether that is a guided tour or that is an experience like Savor the Savanna, over at Animal Kingdom, VIP tours, we take care of all of those things for you. Spa appointments, the galore. We're gonna handle those for you. We're gonna recommend which day we think you should do that, and yeah, we're gonna make sure that you have all of the booking and special event, or special experiences, I should say, under your reservation. Everybody's linked to them, and you know where you're supposed to be on what day and where. If you're doing a VIP tour, you know what park you're starting in and all of that jazz. So yeah, it's a big, these are big experiences to book. And if you don't have someone in your corner that knows what they're doing, it can be troublesome. And Glass Slipper has a team of people that do this every single day. We have called, we have booked, we have done the VIP tours, and we know where you should start, and we know which parks you should start. And if you're trying to maximize your time with rides, we have plans for that, and we can tell you the benefits of a VIP tour and how that works, and how many hours are required, and how many people can be in your VIP tour party. So, and those prices change. It's not just a one-stop shop per hour for 7 hours. It is, it goes on date and time of year, and it's a whole thing. But luckily for you, you call Glass Slipper Concierge. So you have someone in your corner doing that for you. And then along with recreation, there are also the dessert parties and special event tickets like Mickey's Not So Scary, or Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. We help you book those so that you can minimize crowds and maximize your time. We help you book those. We tell you what days to book those. And if there are those parties, something to keep in mind, we tell you when to book on certain days and when to not book on certain days if there is a party. Because guess what? If there is a special ticketed event, the park is going to close early and you have to leave unless you have a ticket to that event. So yeah, even boat rentals. You want to do a fireworks cruise? Hey, we can help with that too. You want to go fishing? That's fun. Let's do that. You want to rent a boat? Perfect. You want to do a party boat? Perfect. We'll book those for you, and we'll make sure you're prepared. So yeah, I wanted to make this one a little bit shorter, and I think I did. We're at 8 minutes, so that's good. All right, well, I love you guys. This is part 3. There's going to be a part 4, so don't you fret. But yeah, I love you guys. Call me, Caroline, at glassslipperconcierge.com. That is my email address. Message me. I'd love to help you. There's so many things that we can do to help you maximize your time and minimize crowds and make sure that you have the best time ever. From the moment that you land in Orlando until you pull back into your garage afterwards. We want to make sure that you have the best time. And Glass Slipper Concierge can do that for you. So call me, beat me if you want to reach me. Love ya.